Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will start that new syllabus KPK Book Foundation Physics SSC 2 Unit number 14 Current Electricity. Today we will discuss SLO base according to FBISC requirement numerical problem question number 5 to 8. Now we will discuss in part 2. Question number 1 to 4 we will discuss in previous part and next inshallah next video. Let's start today's lesson. Question number 5. Numerical problems. Question number 5. Given statement. Three resistors of 60, 30 and 20 ohm are connecting in parallel across a 90-volt battery. Calculate the current through the circuit. First of all, write the given data. Resistance R1 is equal to 60 ohm, resistance R2 is equal to 30 ohm, and resistance R3 is equal to 20 ohm. Now, the voltage of battery V is equal to 90 volt. So, we can find that current in a circuit I. First of all, using the solution, so write the formula for equivalent resistance. Resistors are in a parallel combination, so we using the formula 1 upon R equivalent resistance is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now putting the values 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 20. Taking the LCM of three resistors, so LCM is 60, then 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 60. So 6 divided by 60 is equal to 1 upon 10. Now, taking the reciprocal on both sides, R equivalent resistance is equal to 10 ohm. Now we can find the current through in a circuit is given by according to the formula V is equal to I R. Here we use R is equivalent resistance. So V is equal to I R equivalent. This implies that I is equal to V upon R equivalent. I is equal to 90 divided by 10, that is equal to 9 ampere. Now we will move the next numerical problem. Question number 6. Given statement of question number 6, for how long a cloth dryer is operated if it is used 30 kilojoule of energy to dry the cloth at 220 volt, running 16 ampere current through it. So, according to the statement, write the given data. Energy E is equal to 30 kilojoule. That is equal to 32 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. Here, this value is 10 raised to power 3 because 1 kg is equal to 10 raised to power 3 joule. Now, voltage V is equal to 220 volt and current I is equal to 16 ampere. Then required that time for operating the dryer, that is equal to T is equal to question mark. We can, using the formula, energy E is equal to I multiplied by V multiplied by time T. So this implies that time T is equal to energy E divided by 1 I multiplied by V current multiplied by voltage. So this formula is time T is equal to energy divided by current multiplied by voltage. So for solution, we know that time T is equal to E upon I multiplied by V. Putting the values 32 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 divided by 16 multiplied by 10 raised to power 16 multiplied by 220 volt. So calculate this value on calculator. Then time t is equal to 9.09 seconds. Now we will move the time t is equal to 9.09 seconds. Numerical problem question number 7. In question number 7, calculate the resistance of 40 volt automobile headlight designed for 12 volt. So here given data power P is equal to 40 watt and voltage V is equal to 12 volt. Then we can find that the resistance R. Then using the formula P is equal to V square upon R. This implies that R is equal to V square upon P. Putting the values and to find the solution, we know that P is equal to V square upon R. This implies that resistance R is equal to V square upon P. Putting the values 12 square divided by 40. Taking the square of 12, that is equal to 144 divided by 40. 144 divided by 40, that is equal to 3.6 ohm. Now we will move the resistance of headlight is R is equal to 3.6 ohm. Numerical problem question number 8. In question number 8, a 100 watt power is 100 watt. Bulb is left on is an outdoor storage room to keep the paint from freezing. The 100 watt rate refers to the power dissipation in the bulb filament, which is the resistor. If the electricity cost is 8.11 Rs kilowatt per hour, about how much does it cost be burning the light bulb for 3 months during the winter? So first of all, write the given data according to the statement. Given power P is equal to 100 watt. That is equal to 0.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. Here 10 raised to power 3 is equal to kilo. So 0.1 kilowatt. Now time T is equal to 3 months. In 3 months is equal to 90 days. That is equal to 90 multiplied by 24. So we can change time into R, that is equal to 2160 hour, and traffic rate, that is equal to 8.11 Rs per kilowatt hour. So we can find the cost of electricity C. Then we can find the solution cost of electricity E multiplied by traffic rate. Here E is the energy, that is equal to power multiplied by time, that is multiplied by traffic rate. So cost of electricity is equal to power P is equal to 0.1 multiplied by time 2160 and cost is 8.11. Multiplying the quantities, the final cost of electricity is 1751.76 rupees. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Best of luck. Allah.